Let's go! Stock market bulls and bears. I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel, baby. Buy the dip. Guys, we are super excited to talk about one of my favorite stocks. That's right, Gnus Brands. And woo-wee, the chart is looking very phenomenal for Gnus Brands today. I told you guys we'd be back. My man Andy Hayward has been delivering the news, and I believe we're just getting started. We got that big news on Roblox going around here. They just IPO'd today, guys. We also got the Marvel deal going to be announced here sometime soon. So I wanted to come back in here and just say, I told you so. My man Andy is going to deliver. And like I said, in Andy we trust. That's right. Andy Hayward is my man delivering news. So to all my Gnus Brands followers out there, congratulations, guys. I think we may get a slight pullback. This thing went to the moon today, but we will see. We're going to go over all this stuff in today's video. So guys, let's get to the video, baby. All right, guys, before we get into news, I just want to go here and show you. Right there it is. In Andy we trust. That's right. And guys, here is what my holdings of Gnus Brands. As you guys see, I still have the 1,000 shares at an average cost of $1.65. We're up over 33%, up over 555 bucks. And we look down here on the two contracts right now. I did do I sold a covered call today, and I'm currently actually down technically because I got $51 credit. I did $1.50 when this thing shopped like $2. So if I'm forced to sell this, it's okay. I still have 900 shares, but guys, I still got this call down here where it's a long call expiring January 21st of 22. Where it's currently worth $152 right now, so that's pretty amazing. I can buy 100 shares of Gnus Brands at $1 a piece, so it'd be $100. So if this thing goes to the moon, I may just exercise the deal and buy the 100 shares for $100. This deal here expires, this one right here, $1.50 call. That expires this Friday, so if the price is currently above $2.01, I'll probably be forced to sell 100 shares, but that's okay. Just lock in a small bit of profit. I'll still have 900 shares plus this contract where I can buy back the 100 shares if needed. But anyway, guys, let's get now and talk about this fantastic news. All right, guys, I just figured why not just go directly to the cartoon channel and just show you what I'm talking about on the Roblox deal. So check this out, guys. Right here we are on the cartoonchannel.com, which is Gnus Brands platform. They have live streamers doing Roblox on here, and here you can see the live streamer. This is currently live right now doing the game, and if you look down here at the cartoon channel and the current streaming going on, plus the featured products, check this out. You can click on Roblox, and boom, here it is. They have Roblox and they have shows. Big B Roblox challenges and Sally plays Roblox. So these are the people that I think are streaming this. Guys, I think it's truly a fantastic idea. As you can see, I don't think many people realize how big the cartoon channel actually is, that they're having live streamers on here, which I think is genius, by the way, no pun intended. But look at all this they have on here under the featured products. So much stuff. They have movies, you know, Cartoon Junior here. They have so much. They got Pac-Man. They got Yu-Gi-Oh, Dragonmons, so much stuff. They got the Llama Llama, so much content for the kids on here, guys. It is truly amazing. There's the Warren Buffett Secret Millionaires Club, Baby Genius, Baby Einstein, the Thomas Edison Secret Lab. They had the Scooby-Doo we talked about in the other video. They even have a bingo show. So, guys, this is why I'm so excited now about the cartoon channel. There is so much just potential on this, and why wouldn't people want to advertise and pay? As I said, this is actually free. They're not charging you to do it, but they want people to pay for advertisements on it, which is why they acquired the ChizCom deal, which is super exciting for Gnus Brands. Real quick here, guys, as we know, I wanted to show you people's on StockTwits. Now, I know people say don't believe everything you see on StockTwits, which is true. You don't believe everything you see, but people here is posting pictures, as you can see, of that. And since I've started this recording, guys, check that out. There's been 24 more posts about Gnus Brands since I've started this recording about 10 minutes ago. So that goes to show you how active this is. We're going to go back up here to the top. Guys, check this out. I did want to point this out. We are almost at 90,000 watchers on Genius Brands on StockTwits. I think that says a lot. So that, like I said, Genius Brands has a cult, guys. It really does. There's a lot of people that just, like, including me, I have this on my phone. I watch Genius Brands and I follow Genius Brands. And a lot of people is really bullish on Genius Brands, including me. I am super bullish on Genius Brands. I think this stock's just going to keep going up. It's just a matter of riding the waves as it goes. But the deals are coming, guys. Roblox is on there. They just IPO'd out today. Stock's like 70 or 80 bucks or something like that. But what I did want to go in here and cover is this article that's out right here that was out today on the Investor Place. Genius Stocks, the Roblox rumor gives Genius Brands a big boost today. And it really did. The rumor is spreading on social media. Now, what I do know is that someone said on StockTwits earlier that it was on like CNN or CNBC talking about the Roblox IPO today, and they also mentioned Genius Brands, and that is what possibly got the boost going. So whether that's true or not, I don't know. But if any of you guys seen it, I didn't get to see it, but that is the rumor that Genius Brands was getting talked about on TV today about being a part of Roblox. So that could be part of it. As you see, the rumor is spreading on social media. Genius Brands stock is getting a boost on the rumor that the entertainment company is partnering with Roblox. And I'm telling you, man, they are going to be partnering. And as we know, there is no official news yet of the partnership between Genius Brands and Roblox. But it's worth noting that Genius Brands does host some Roblox shows on the app, which is true. Why would they not? You know, they're actually hosting shows on their app, so they're probably going to have a deal. It's just a matter of getting it finalized. Here is a chart that was done by the Trading Vitality, and Genius Brands up 22% today. And this chart here he has, which is really nice, 135 million shares were traded versus an average volume of 29 million, guys. I think that is something. He also has down here, Genius Brands doing his thing with Roblox on IPO today. So that's the rumor fueling the call buying and first move last week. So right there it is, man. Here's all the news right here on this article. I think it's really great. But I did, guys, want to go back and touch base on this newsletter. Now, if you go back to my previous video I did on Genius Brands about this newsletter, you're going to see that when I first did that video, they did not have pictures up yet because I covered it the first day. And now that I come back in here just to see like what's up, and I go in here to click on the newsletter to see if there's anything changed, and I see the date's still the same, but they've added these pictures. Check this out. The sneak peek starring Arnold Schwarzenegger. There he is with all the kindergartens right there. That is really neat. Look at the graphics here. Stanley Superhero, kindergarten streaming, sneak peek, weekend drives huge growth of cartoon channel. Marvel, guys, here it is. Marvel Studios, Genius Brands announcement to be March 30th. I'm telling you right now, it's going to be something huge. It's going to be something huge. They are putting it right there. Right there. Marvel Studios and Genius Brands will be announced on March 30th. Buy it now before it's above $3, $4, $5. I'm telling you that right now. This is just getting super exciting. As we know right here, people's been asking us how the sneak peek's been. We already kind of covered all this, but I did want to show here. Here's another good graphic of the unique users, the hours watched, the app installs here. Truly amazing. And they're pleased to share for the first time the series premiere date for Stan Lee's superhero kindergarten starring Arnold Schwarzenegger has been set for April 23rd. The show will be distributed on the Cartoon Channel across all of the Apple TVs, the Android, Amazon Prime, Dish, Sling, Samsung. It's across everything, guys. And yes, they have a marketing campaign by the recent acquisition, the ChizCom Media, which we do know that. And if we keep going down here, look at this here. They're talking about, we noticed something else. There's a tremendous engagement with the show from the social media platforms of both Arnold Schwarzenegger and Stan Lee. So check this out. Arnold here posted that on January 27th. Instagram, he had 412,000 views, 942 comments. On Facebook, he had, looks like 9,000 views, 900 and some comments, 500 and some shares. Arnold has a TikTok that had over 7,000 likes. He had a Twitter account with over 2,000 likes. You kind of get the hint. If we look here under the social media engagement with Stan Lee, where, as you know, Genius Brands owns Stan Lee's name and likeness, which is huge. So they have Stan Lee's, Twitter account. They have his Instagram. They have his Facebook. That's right. Genius Brands owns Stan Lee's social media platforms, to where Disney, in a sense, and with Marvel, only owns the Marvel characters, but not Stan Lee. So that's where I think these two need to work hand in hand. It's a good thing that Genius Brands latched on to Stan Lee's name and likeness, because they also got his social media platforms. As you can see here, his Instagram, 105,000 views of 160 comments. His Facebook had 330,000 views, and his Twitter had 1,200 views. But it looks like his Instagram is definitely the most popular. But you can see, across all his platforms, he definitely gets that message across. Talking about the show debuting. As you can see here, kids are discovering the cartoon channel. Adults are discovering the cartoon channel. And content owners are contacting cartoon channel and wanted their top tier comment to appear on there, which is really great. And we do got the news that Scooby-Doo is coming, guys. This is just truly phenomenal. Super excited about that. And this is the 7 key takeaways for the cartoon channel. It's about the streaming, premiere original content, premiere acquired content. It's free. The ethos, the human capital, and the fast channel. That's right. And here it is, more about the Marvel Studios, which is super exciting. That is a deal everyone's waiting on, and depending on what that deal is, it's going to definitely make this stock hit that $3, $4, $5 level and go beyond, possibly hit all-time highs again. And here's the final note. People continue to ask when we'll officially announce the news of Marvel that has previously been referenced. Like I said, if it was up to them, they would have announced it long ago, but we do not set Marvel's press schedule. But he's happy to report they advise us that we can announce our deal with them no later than the end of March, and we will. So that is super exciting. And here's a couple key things that I do like about this. Exciting things afoot at Genius Brands. We have a very strong balance sheet. The company has zero debt and a substantial amount of cash on hand. We're looking at a number of important and highly accretive acquisition targets. Guys, I'm telling you what, Andy is going to deliver on this. I don't know how much I can tell you all this, but like I said, Andy, my man's going to deliver. And today we feel Stan is looking down with a smile as we watch his latest creation on Cartoon Channel. And of course, he is saying, I don't know what that is. El Lessier? I'm probably getting that wrong. Sorry, guys, I probably butchered that. But anyway, as you can see there, they got the Stan Lee, and my man Andy signed us here. We're building a very special company, and we thank you to our shareholders along with us sincerely, Andy Hayward. So, guys, that's what I wanted to bring you today. Like I said, I got him right there. And Andy, we trust. That's right. Super excited. This is a nice big update. As you know, the stock is up over like 15% today. This thing went to the moon, ended at 221. Who would have thought Genius Brands would have ended at 221 today? As you see, this thing is pretty phenomenal. I mean, it shot the whole way up, and as we know, when stocks usually shoot up this much, they usually sell off. But Genius Brands sold off a little. It went back up. It sold back down a little bit more. But then throughout the day, it bought back up to 233, and it kind of just sold off slightly. So what will tomorrow bring? That's the question. Are we going to go down or up tomorrow? I think there could be a slight pullback tomorrow, being we were up about 15, 16% today. But like I said, I'm super excited for Genius Brands. I have 1,000 shares. I have 2 options contracts. And depending on what this does, may do more. We will see what happens, guys. Super excited. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Got those links below for the Weeble and the Patreon. Check them out. Guys, I appreciate it and love every single one of you guys. Catch you in the next one, baby. Let's go.